So for this problem, my first step is going to be to get organized. And in order to do so, I'm going to break the expression up into terms and then number the functions. Our first term is 2, 3, then 1, 2, then a bigger term, 2, 3, 1, and within that we have 2, 3, and then finally 2. For functions, we first have CDR, then reverse, then CDR again, then CAR, and finally CDR. Now that I'm organized, I can begin to solve the problem. For the first step, we have CDR, so we're going to grab everything except for the first term, which in this case is 2, 3. We're left with 1, 2, big parentheses, small parentheses, 2, 3, 1, and then 2. And I'm going to make sure to cross off CDR so I don't repeat a step. The second step is reverse. So now we're going to flip the list, and we're left with 2, big parentheses, small parentheses, 2, 3, 1, and then 1, 2. Now I'm going to cross off reverse. The third step is again CDR, so we're going to grab everything except for the first term, which is now 2. And we're left with 2, 3, 1, and then 1, 2. The fourth step is CAR. So now we're going to grab the first term, and that is 2, 3, and 1. The last step is CDR. And now we're going to take everything except for the first term, and the first term in this case is the 2, 3. You can see it's broken up like that because of the parentheses. So what we're left with is just 1.